Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Classroom and explanation for it, because I never made a video about it. So yeah, you guys can access let's just get into the video. So yeah, you guys can access the Google Classroom from here. Let me find it. Oh yeah, there it is. Or you can add a shortcut from here, or you can search for Google Classroom. There. Let's just get. I will just do it on the shortcut. Yeah, you guys can make a class like here. This is join a class or make a class. This is the terms or service. If you guys want to read it, it's fine. But I don't want. Yes. Testing, testing. Nope. No. One. Okay, it's creating the class. Or you guys can join a class if you guys know the code. Yes, I forgot where I can. This is the tutorial. Make announcements. Make an announcements. Oh, if you guys want to return from the announcements, yes, this is the class codes. We can use another account to join. Let's copy this. Yes, copy that. Yeah, before that you can add another like assignment. Nothing, just for testing. Yeah, this is to create it. You can make it like that, or yeah, but if you guys want to publish it, you guys can just press there. Okay, this is the members. We will try to see it later. And then the score. Yes, I don't need it. Oh, there's the detail about the classes. Let's just use another account. My other account hard. Just yes. You guys can join the class from here. Copy this, and then yes. Yes. So yes, it's here. Okay. This is the thing. Maybe we can add a file or something. Let's browse the files. Maybe my games. Yes. You guys can add a private command too, like yes noob or something like that. Okay, I guess that's all for the video for now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and maybe wait, let's demo something. Yeah. Oh, you guys can add the score too. Yes, I forgot to tell you guys that 10 million subs. Not even good for 100, bruh. One maybe 40, cause yes. Okay, this is the nothing. Or you can send email to some to the um to the just consider it as your friend. Like you can send email to your friend that you choose, like this. You can send the email. Okay, so yes, go here. You can yeah, you can command to no, yes. Okay, and then I got a lot of class too. This is my main classes, but this is not. This is just an example. And this is the class I made again, just for an example. Anyways, yeah, there's only one member because it's only my account. You can send email to your student. Yeah, the student, bro. Why did I forgot about that? Mm -mm -mm. You can add something, and you can add the teacher too. Like maybe let's go copy this, bruh. Why? Copy this. Yes, copy, and then But why can't I find it? Okay, maybe let's all for it. Cause yes, oh yeah, there's a Google Calendar too, and then Drive folder for the class. Yeah, this is another topic if I put in the Google Calendar too. So yeah, I guess that's all for the video, and thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.